Hi, this is Michael Huff. I'd like to welcome you to the 2022 National Pavement Expo. We are here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina, and Premier Sealcoating invests in coming to this show every year so we can learn the latest techniques and the best equipment and materials available to seal coat your driveway or your parking lot. So come join us and see what this great show has to offer. We ran into our friends from Nanya here at the convention. We use Nanya on all our residential driveways, Nanya Force. It's a fantastic product. So this is Chuck. Chuck, why is Nanya Force so great for driveways?
I tell you what, Mike, Nanya Force is an excellent alternative to a coal tar sealer, right? Putting it down in the residential space, you eliminate all of the odor, right? So when it dries, you're not going to have the coal tar smell lingering for a few days, and it's a beautiful black color that's going to make your driveway look beautiful. So
yeah, it just seems to last. We don't get any callbacks. Everybody seems to be really happy when we used it, so we've kind of gone full time doing our residential driveways with Nanya Force. It's just a great product.
It's it's a commercial grade seal coating that when put down in the residential space really outperforms the competition.
Yeah, great stuff. Thanks for making it. And looking forward to a great 2022.
You got it. Sounds good. Thank you.
All right, I just ran into a man with a great name. This is Mike.
Hello.
Also goes by Jake from State Farm. But in all seriousness, when we have to do a patch in a driveway, we use Aquafault. It's a phenomenal product, and I'll let Mike tell you why. It's really good, lasts a long time, and we've had a lot of luck with it. So
Thank you, Mike. Yeah, so this is Aquafault. It is a water-activated asphalt patch. So you fill your pothole, put water on top, tamp it down, and it cures through hydration and bonds to the surrounding material. So you can see the patches I've already done, but I'll go ahead and do another one. So get your material in the hole, then you go ahead and level it out. Then next step, you go ahead and pour your water on top. I'm going to go ahead and just spray it so I don't make a mess. And what that does, it causes the product to start setting up and get hard. Tamp it down. And that's it. Ready for traffic right away. Doesn't stick, doesn't squeeze. And you can see these patches that I did yesterday. Look, they're set up, cured right away.
I found another one of our great suppliers. This is Tim from Gingway, and we use his MA10 melters when we do parking lots to fill cracks. So Tim, why don't you tell us why this thing is so good for filling up cracks in parking lots and preserving them?
Okay, well, one of the benefits of our MA10 is that we've got baffles in the heat chamber, and that will make so it heats up 30% faster, and it will eliminate blowouts on windy days. So you can use our equipment. You can get it to heat up fast, economically, and be satisfied. It's got American-made and it's quality built at a fair price, and it'll last you well for many years. Thank you.
good privilege of running into my friend Mike here from Sealmaster. Mike is actually my local Sealmaster dealer from Allentown, and behind him is our TR575, one of the units that we use. It's a great piece of machinery. Mike's going to tell us a little bit about it. Go ahead, Mike.
So this is our TR575. It's 575 gallons, dual axle trailer. Sealmaster's been building equipment since 1972, so we have a little bit of experience. I've been selling this equipment since 1997. Not much has changed, and we're kind of proud of that. If we build a good piece of equipment, we don't need to change too much. Honda engine, builds your air pressure. Air pressure runs your diaphragm pump at the back of the tank. Gives you plenty of pressure for spraying, brushing material down on the ground. If you want to step up to the big leagues, you need to have the right piece of equipment.
hope you enjoyed this look into the 2022 NPE conference. Please reach out to us this season for your seal coating needs. Thanks for watching.